Alright guys, so what happened here, I had a little bit of a screw up. These are kick plates. What you see here is a kick plate. These go in stairs, and just because I misfigured it, they should have been 39.5, and instead I made them 40 from tip to tip. So this measurement across here is 40 inches, and should have been 39.5. Well, thought I might cut them in the bandsaw, and you see what happens there. I should have known, just being an odd shape, thin metal, it was going to catch. Luckily, I had an extra one, so if I screw these up, I'm SOL. But that one's done. Can't really use it. That's scrap now. So instead, I am plasma cutting, so it's time consuming. Luckily, there's only 15 threads, I think, on this set. So just got my little, my mini multi-square here. And I've got it set for 1/4 inch. What you have to remember when you use a Sharpie is you have to remember the thickness of your Sharpie or your soapstone. So that's actually not 1/4 inch there. Once I get out here and mark it, now that is 1/4 inch, so you have to factor that in. So we'll just run that along both edges, keep it nice and square. Flip it over, do the same thing on the other side. Gives me a guideline to hand to plasma. Cut the edge off, so we'll do a couple here at a time. Yes, it's Friday, almost 4:30. I'll probably be here till 7 or 8 o'clock tonight. Trying to get this stuff done. We're a little behind. Got more work to do. Luckily, one of our jobs is behind on concrete because of the rain, so therefore it helps us out. We can get some other stuff done. But eventually, they're going to get some weather and be able to pour concrete, and they're going to be wanting their platform. So I need to get with it here and get some of this stuff knocked out. You're gonna have stuff like this happen. You're gonna make mistakes. You're gonna screw up. And you just gotta fix it. It is what it is. Don't set and dwell on it, because then it makes it worse. You're gonna have times like this where you're gonna have to eat it. Just own it, fix it, and move on. But I promise you, I'll learn something, and I bet next time I use 39.5 inch concrete treads, I won't make 40 inch kick plate. The reason I did is because they call them a 40 inch set, and I've never used them before. We always do 44 and 48, and the kick plates are the same size, they're 44 and 48. So kind of just assumed, unfortunately, and you know what that does. So now we're having to go back and spend an hour or so cutting all these. Have a rough edge, you have to deburr them. So, like I said, as long as you learn something from your mistakes, it all works out in the end. Alright, there we go. So, they're all marked except for this short. Always learn something from your mistakes. So now what I'll do, I had a bunch of these to do. We've only got 15, I've already done 5, I think I got 10 left. So if I had a bunch to do, you know, 40, 50, 60 or something like that, there's just no good way to do it. No way to shear it. Like I said, the saw is just so thin. You saw what happened. Luckily we had an extra one and it worked out. But I would make a jig that would actually catch on the side of this, but by the time I did that, I could have these fixed. So what I'm gonna do is just use my little guide here and I'll set it up and I'll just hold it in place. Get that on the center of the line where my 1/4 inch mark is. Makes it really easy work of it. Should have known in the first place that saw was going to be a bad idea just because of the material being so thin. But, it leaves a little bit of a rough edge there. I'm going kind of fast because I need to get it done. So just take a flat wheel when we get down on the grinder and just kind of smooth them out, straighten them up. Make mistakes, the biggest thing it costs you is what? Time. Of course, time is money. So, with that being said, you want to limit the amount of time it takes to fix it. So if you sit and dwell on it, that's just more and more time. You have to regroup, figure out what it's going to take to fix it, and act on it. So, tried the saw, didn't work, pulled out the plasma, figured this out, laid it out, and we'll be done in just a few minutes.